Oh, hello again! Why do they put an expiration date on sour cream? What about if you ate pasta and antipasta? Don't they cancel each other? Any answers to any of these questions, please give me a call. I'm serious. Give me a call. 435-0679. By the way, if you have any serious needs with locksmithing problems, give me a call for that too. We do everything from cars, rekeying houses. Matter of fact, we'll even rekey a padlock to match it if you need one. And if you break the key off on that, I'll fix that too. Just remember, 435-0679.